Well, that's wild.
What the heck? And see if we can actually get in a little bit. You're so weird.
So, driving back from Caslow, and we saw this cool stuff in behind us here. Kind of cool, kind of an odd spot because the highway is right there. So where are we?
We are at what I think is Amazon Mine. I saw something about this a few weeks back. We actually stopped here a couple of years ago and had no idea what this was. It says Cody Caves on the side of the building, and then we just kept on going and didn't even explore. So this time we're stopping. We're gonna go see if we can actually get into the mine. I think at the top of here, which I believe is an ore chute, from what I see.
I think so.
I think so. Is the entrance to the mine. So yeah, we're gonna go check it out and
let's
see
explore.
If we can find it.
Yeah. So this building here is actually, I'm not sure if it's owned by Cody Caves or not, but this is where they used to bring people before they went to the caves. I did check that building down below there, and that is just full of garbage. However, over here to the right, we did find some garbage because, you know, people are like that and throw their shit away. But in the back, hiding, is a couple of old ore bins, which is kind of cool. There's one there. There's an old one there that's kind of fallen apart and stuff. And another one there, so that's kind of neat. And then this looks like some old pieces of track that's bent up for something, I'm not sure. But yeah, kind of cool. And then down there is Woodbury Creek, which I don't know much about, but it sure is pretty. So there is, I mean, there's an ore chute on the bottom of it.
Yeah, just right in here behind the trees.
Yeah. Yeah, right there.
There's a couple of things down here on the ground.
Yeah, so we're all seeing the same things you are for the first time. We've never really seen anything in here yet, so the foundation down there for probably when the tracks came through here. There had to have been tracks. Like, what were they loaded into, I wonder?
I don't know.
Well, there is a set of stairs. Ew, that's just garbage and disgusting in there.
That goes through the other building that you said was full of garbage.
Oh, yep. And that it is. Well, shall we go up the stairs? That looks like it's closed off, but we'll have a look anyway. Yeah, that's locked. So we can't go up inside there. It's like, ah, I'm in jail, help me, ah! Yeah, it's not looking too positive. If they've locked that off, then chances are the mine's locked off as well. Bit of a scramble.
There's an upside down sign that says, yes, the mine is open.
Well, I wonder if one time they used to do tours in the mine.
Maybe.
I know Cody Caves has like the caves tours, but I don't think they had mine tours.
I have no idea.
This is quite a ways up and very steep. This is pretty cool though.
Extremely steep. Huh?
It's not often you actually get to see workings like this left. It's always just remains. Cedar boughs, nice.
It's quite a bit of water in there though.
Oh, that's a big rat's nest.
That is a big rat's nest.
Wow. Okay, what do we got? Bunch of airline. Couple little chutes going off the side here. A lot of it's actually buried into the side of the mountain here, hon.
Where?
Look down into the side of the mountain here. Look down there, you can see some wood going out.
Oh yeah.
And maybe more chutes out that side.
Over there.
Yeah. Well, that's kind of cool.
It's neat.
Pretty
I wonder if they had aerial tram coming down from up higher.
Well, actually, if you look at those buckets down
They
there,
look like
they
Ariel.
have the
I know what you mean.
those things, you know, so
Yeah,
it
yeah.
hangs. Yeah, those are my like professional words. Okay, so I'm gonna keep going through here.
I don't know how much I trust that.
It feels pretty strong. You just walk on the beams that go across. So there's the stairs there, like that was locked off that we couldn't come up, so that's kind of weird. Probably there's a truck down there, and then right below me, that's where the chute was that I was showing down below. And yeah, I mean the highway's right there, so it's kind of crazy. Let's go up back here and have a quick look at the mine. And Carm said it's got water in there. How much water, I'm not sure, because I left my flashlight in the truck.
We left our flashlights in the truck.
So, I'm gonna go get those.
Yeah.
So I will be right back after these messages from Carmen.
Yeah, I'm just gonna wait.
Okay.
So, we're back, we got flashlights. We're gonna turn you around here so you can see what we see and see if we can actually get in a little bit. You're so weird.
Just let's go check it out, man. Here. Flashlight.
Yeah.
Here we go. Yeah.
That is a big
nest.
rat's nest.
Black. All right. Oh, it's cold though, as it should be. And yeah, it's a little mucky.
Yeah, I can't see. I can only see you.
It's not bad though. That door's been broken down. Cool. Okay. Well.
All the old wires and stuff through here. You see it?
Oh yeah. Cable and electrical wire. So that tells me that, judging by that wire, that's fairly new wire, like above the 50s, I think.
Oh, look at all the...
Ew, that's muddy.
Yeah, it's really mucky in here. Just for the little ways, I think.
That pipe's pretty rusty.
Hmm?
That's a pretty rusty pipe.
Oh, it's really icky. That's actually deeper than it looks. It's mushy.
Yeah, that's why I'm walking on the pipe. Pull into the wall.
Huh. I'm gonna check it for spiders first. I've been in these before. I know where they hide.
Yeah, on the wall.
Oh.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
Dancing
My balance is not very good today.
This one's kind of cool.
Yeah. Well,
so yeah, it's mucky, but it's not unpassable. Good temperature in here.
yeah. It's drier as you go.
I wonder, well, because it goes up the mountain though, right?
Yeah.
I wonder how long ago this was open, because I mean,
I don't know. It's a
See,
pretty old light fixture.
that's not that old.
No.
Like, that's not old. They must have done tours in here at one time.
Very possible. I wonder why they stopped.
I don't know. Could be a lot of the reason, same reason Frank's got shut down.
Could be.
As unfortunate as that was.
Well, if they were doing tours up here and it's this easily accessible, I doubt we're going to find anything like carts or anything in here.
No, I doubt it.
Pretty wide though and tall.
Yeah. Lots of old pieces of stuff just kicking around like the old.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not sure what that is. Looks like oh, you know what that is? That's one of those things that they use for the roof, to hold the roof up. More water.
Bunch of old electrical.
Yeah, that's not that old though.
Yeah, well,
You can hear the water out from outside.
yeah. They'll just kind of succumb to getting muddy. So.
A little bit. Not bad.
You have longer legs than I do. Like, taking these really long strides. It's like my legs aren't that long.
I'll have to look back to see if they were doing tours in here. Just electrical's way too new. Electrical's way too new.
Yeah.
Not a lot of airflow though, you notice that?
No, it's starting to stop, getting
Yeah.
staler.
Yeah. Well, there's some natural light right there.
What?
Because there's a cave in, I think.
Oh, goodness.
That was weird to come around the corner. I'm like, hey, somebody else is in here. What is that?
That's probably why it's getting warmer.
Yeah.
It's outside air.
What is it though, and why is it here? Well, that's wild.
What the heck?
I don't know. That's crazy, whatever that is.
Well, it's going down into the river.
Yeah, so maybe it's... Oh, I'm going to go out and have a look.
There's stairs over here.
I love finding new exciting stuff. Stairs to what? There's a platform down there.
An old building. Maybe a pump house? I have no idea.
Is it a pump house of some sort? Or
I don't know.
a dam? Well, let's go down.
This is as far as you can go.
This is some steep stairs. Holy smokes. Oh, look at that rock face. That's cool. Oh, cable coming down from there.
The rest of it's roof.
Yeah, I wouldn't go on the roof.
No, I'm not even going here because it gets softer.
Wasn't that cement there?
No, I don't think all the way around it is.
Oh, well, that's pretty though. Look at that.
Look it up there. It's gorgeous.
Beautiful. I don't know if I can get it all. I'm just kind of reaching over Carmen here, but looks amazing.
There's the mountain you just came out of.
Yes, that's where we came out of right there. So we're not very far in, probably about, I don't know, 200 feet,
Yeah.
if that. And then there's some old woodworkings above here too. I'm not sure what that's all about. Right there.
Oh, yeah. Glad
Huh.
you're tall enough to see that.
Weird. That was a weird thing to see, this big pipe coming out of there. It was very unexpected. But after this, the mine's pretty much blocked off. I'll have to figure out, hopefully we can figure out what the what this is for. The mine goes in that way afterwards. I don't really want to climb over that mess of nails and logs and shit, so darn. Okay, well, we got in a little ways more than I thought we would to begin with. So that was pretty cool.
Yeah.
This thing's wild, whatever that is. That's just, can't get over the size of that pipe.
There's just a dead end right there. Like it goes
Yeah.
right through that wall.
Wild. Cool.
Nails and stuff sticking out of there. And
That's like it needs a nail through the foot.
right?
This is cool though, like the rock stuff above. Pretty neat.
That was weird coming to light.
Yeah.
That's why the air was getting warmer. Outside air.
Okay, well, I guess we'll go back.
Well, that was a cool find.
Yeah, no kidding.
I didn't think we'd be able to get in here at all.
Hey everybody, thanks for sticking around to the end. Really appreciate it. Amazon Mine. What a great place, right? Right up the side of the highway, just outside of Caslow there, and what a find that was. Unfortunately, we couldn't go any further into the mine as there was so much debris and stuff. We didn't want to have to crawl over that and potentially get hurt, being by ourselves as always. That big blue pipe, we assume it's some sort of an aqueduct. Like, I really don't know. If anybody does know, drop a comment down below. We really want to know. Yeah, outside of that, another great trip. So, as always, stay curious, stay adventurous, and we'll see you out there.